Hello everyone. I am in Cincinnati, Ohio today and tomorrow for work, but since it's my first time in Ohio, I decided to stay an extra day on Saturday so I can explore Cincinnati a little bit, and I will take you guys out with me. But for today, let's do a little hotel room tour. I am staying at the Westin Cincinnati Hotel. That is the entrance to my room, and here is the closet with a safe and an iron board. And here is the bathroom. It has a tub. And of course, we have a full-size mirror. That is the door to my neighbor, I guess. And here is my king-size bed with my luggage on this side. We also have the TV and a workstation. And last but not least, we have the view. I believe this is Fountain Square. It's very pretty. I bet it's gonna be extra pretty at night. You guys, look at how cute. It's a Thursday night and they're dancing. It's like a salsa party. Look at that. People are dancing. I don't know if you can hear the music from here.
You guys, this is insane. It is 6:30 a.m. and I've been hearing them all morning, probably since like 6 a.m. I don't know what they're doing, but it's super loud.
This is the Union Terminal station, and it's the inspiration for Justice League, the building from that comics. And I believe the new Superman movie is also filmed here. Let's go inside. Look at how grand this place is. Wow, they actually have free rotunda tours. I won't have time today, but that's good to know. The weekend is officially here. It is Friday night. I just got back from dinner with a colleague at Over-the-Rhine. It is a sushi and Thai restaurant. It was really good. It was recommended by another colleague. And then we went to Ghost Baby, and it's a really cool bar. I had a non-alcoholic drink and it was really good as well. They had like a live jazz musician playing, and I do recommend checking that place out if you guys are in Cincinnati. And then there is a market happening right now downstairs. And there's live music as well. So I will go downstairs and check it out. Peach sundae. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, 9 a.m. I just finished getting ready and I'm gonna go downstairs, get some breakfast. Then I'm gonna go to Findlay Market and I'm gonna meet up a colleague for, I think it's called the Ultimate Queen City Underground Tour. And then I'm gonna go to Over-the-Rhine, just walk around the neighborhood, and the rest of the day, we're just gonna play by ear. I just got to Findlay Market using the connector. And it's actually raining now, so I'm gonna go inside and hide from the rain and do a little bit of shopping. I am on my way to the tour right now. Our tour is at 11 o'clock, and we gotta be there 15 minutes before it starts. And it's like an 11-minute walk over there. So I gotta head over, and I actually didn't get to go all around the Findlay Market just because a lot of shops are not open yet. So I will come back after the tour for that. But yeah, it's like very cute of a walk over here.
You're interested, the largest rosewood node in the world is not. Masterminded by John Kaufman, who was
I just finished the tour at the American Legacy tour. It was pretty good. It was probably like 7, 8 out of 10. Some parts were a little bit underwhelming just because I don't know, it's like mostly dirt and stuff. So, but I think I would do it again. Maybe do like a ghost tour or something that they have. But I am now. I think this is Vine Street, and they have some cute shops. So I think I will probably go shopping a little bit. Time for some bubble tea break. This is pretty good. I wanted to get Skyline chili, but they close from 2 to 4 o'clock. And it's like 2:30 right now or something like that. So I'm just gonna go around, do some more shopping, and then hopefully I'll get to try Cincinnati chili later. You guys, they got me good at this shop. I bought like 2 dresses and a pair of pants. But yeah, the experience was really good because they have like jewelry and shoes and purses for you to try on with your outfit to make it look like a whole outfit, and you get like a picture of everything. And so that's what gets you because they keep bringing you things and it's so cute and they're all so nice, and the clothes is pretty good as well. Most of them were cotton and linen, and so yeah, I did some damage. My tour guide told me about this place. This is General Cincinnati's and the person that Cincinnati is named after. We are here. Skyline Chili. Well, just kidding. It is closed today and tomorrow for some reason. I am just gonna go back to the hotel for now, and then I'll put my stuff away and plan my next move. I am back at the hotel. I'm gonna take a quick 5-10 minutes break, and then we're gonna get back out there into the 90-100 degree weather. It is so hot outside, but I think I'm gonna go to dinner next because I haven't eaten since breakfast, and I'm gonna go to the Malaysian restaurant that was featured on the Food Network with Guy Fieri. I think it's called Sago. So I'm super duper excited for that. I don't think I've ever had Malaysian food. Anyway, should I do a little quick tour of what I bought? Alright, quick haul. These 3 items are from Baubles and Lace. This is a cute linen and cotton dress with cutouts. And then we have this for work. It is a pair of black pants with kind of like a skirt flip, and then you tie it on the side. I think it's very unique and different on. It doesn't show very clear right now, but trust me, it's very cute. And then this is a linen dress that has beads all the way down on the side. I think it's very unique. I've never seen anything like it. And then the lady said that that was the only one left, and it's actually in my size too, so it's perfect. And then I have this one is from Pattaya, and this is just a pair of jeans with black stripes. Okay, so Sago is actually closed this weekend, and I am running late because I spontaneously booked a riverboat tour that's at 6:30, and it's like 6:11 right now. So I'm gonna run down to my Uber, and then hopefully we will get there in time. We made it! Oh,
Favorite drop of my
Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Alabama. Take me home, country road. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing's gonna be alright.
I think we are going to have to be towed in because our engine died. And now the police is here. And there's another boat. I think this one is the tow boat.
Oh, that was fun and exciting. BP Riverboat. The engine blew out, and so we had to have a towboat to come and get us, and water rescue and the police. So I am very hungry. It's like almost 10 o'clock now. That was a bad idea to not eat before I come here, but I think I'm gonna go get Mexican food at Nada. But yeah, that was kind of fun, like half sarcastically, half not. Something you don't see every day. You guys, there's like some kind of music festival or some kind of music thing going on over here in Newport, Kentucky. So I think I have 4 minutes before my Uber gets here. So we're gonna go check it out really quickly.
Oh, get down, turn around, watch out, looks good. Get fast.
Get us that.
You're East of Boston, man. Don't forget that. I know you're kind of drunk. You better start to feel. If you like what you hear, you won't check this out.
We are here at Nada. My colleague recommended this place. Hopefully they still take me. It's like half an hour before closing. It is 11:30 p.m. and I am finally back in my hotel room. It's been a long day. I'm gonna shower, pack, and I think I have to be at the airport around 8:30 tomorrow because I'm flying out, I think, around 10:30 a.m. So hopefully there will be skyline chili that I can try at the airport, just because I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do today, especially skyline chili. I checked 3 locations around Findlay Market and they were all closed for whatever reason. And then I didn't realize Geta Fest was literally right outside of the tour boat area, right in front of the aquarium. And that was another thing that I wanted to try on my list, but I called the Uber as soon as I got off the boat. So it was coming in 3 minutes or so, and I didn't have enough time to try anything. But I did listen to a little bit of the music and it was fun. So yeah, hopefully I will get to try those, and hopefully I will get to come back to Cincinnati in the near future, because it's been a very fun trip. I think very successful, and I am very grateful for this trip. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, 8 a.m. well, almost 8 a.m. I am all packed up and we are ready to head to the airport and return to Washington, D.C.
Goodbye, Cincinnati. You've been good to me. Surprisingly, there's nothing going on at Fountain Square this morning. I feel like there's always been something since I arrived.
Well, there's no skyline chili in Concourse A, but there is a hot sauce vending machine. So I might go check it out. They have like such fancy vending machines. It's like salad in a bottle. And a create your own water bottle. Just kidding, it's not create your own water bottle, it's create a flavored bottle. Or like flavored water for your bottle. Ooh, fancy. They have a Lego vending machine. And that was my weekend in Cincinnati. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I have more travel vlogs, so check them out. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!